Hi everybody, Colin here from Woodthorp International. I am a happy bunny. Not only have I finished putting all the deck boards on, I've actually got the track on and banked round to elevate the track. And I am happy. So both are on, they're fully wired up. And also what I've had a go at doing, and I've only done one half of one side, is I've put on, and I believe it's called a check rail on the inside of that. I've got the other side to do, and then all the way around on both. That takes some putting in. That really does take some doing. That, in all fairness, is the second attempt. The first attempt was okay. It didn't stop a train running on it, but I wasn't happy with it. It had, to be honest, a slight twist in the track. So it wasn't pointing vertical, it was slightly leaning over this way. So I had to come up with an idea to stop that from happening. So that's my first bit of that in, and the trains run fantastic over, I'll show you. And I've got a great shot from over in the corner behind me, just showing virtually the whole bridge. But I am very happy that is done. The only thing I've got to do now is stick the handrails on, which I can do. Which means, I'll just pause it while I go for a little potter, find a bit of paper. Right, I'm back with my notes. These posts, I've only got 126 posts to stick on, and then the handrails, which are in longer lengths, so maybe about 130, maybe 134 pieces of wood to stick on, and then it is complete. But I can run trains over it now. I can just stick a few on and keep doing a bit. But it's great to have a circuit where trains just keep running. Not on the outside yet. I'm just concentrating on the inside, but I've put it on to show the trains running both ways. The next job I'm going to do, stick handrails on and the posts for this. I'm making trees all the time to stick on. I want to get this area coloured because that just doesn't look right when you're filming a train coming out of the tunnel looking at that, but I will. But the next point I want to start doing track-wise is from here. Going round here, round this area, and back towards the station. That's what I'm wanting to do. I've got 2 points to put in here. That's fixed and wired up, ready with that block there. That's the track to go in. Ready to connect up from there to here, and that will be the block. So I'm happy with how that is. All I have to do is when I attach this to there is put the actual measurement in of the block, because the block goes from here at the moment to the next point. So I will get this done, and then there'll be some tracks in here for the big hillside what's going up there. So, and then it'll come round to the stations, but it's nice having a circuit. It's a bit messy at the moment, but you know, there's lots going on. Track laying, and I'm just sticking it down and fixing everything and wiring it up as I go along. I'm not laying the track. I know I've laid that temporary just to run round, but when it's the real track, it's stuck down, no turning back. So I will show you some trains running over the bridge. The best sight ever for me. Well, I've been waiting a long time for this, and I'm so happy that this has come together and looks like it does. I think it looks really good, does that? Very pleased. Well, we just had to have this go over. Just had to have it. That was so good. Sorry, I was in my own little world then. Let's see, going round with the banking on. Two trains passing. And if Japan wanted to go over the famous Trestle Bridge of America, this is what it would look like, and it might have an American train going over it the other way. You can imagine the amount of photos what have been taken, and then they might go up to Mirror Lake and come and sit in some benches up on the top there and watch trains going past themselves as tourists. Who knows? But I also did try Eva going round at full speed, and you know, Eva is just, you know, speed merchants, and the banking of this, what I've put on the bridge, just helps it go around without any problem whatsoever. The only thing you have to watch when you super elevate your track is the transition back to flat. Sometimes you have to tweak it a bit, but I'll just show you it going full speed, but it's never going to do it. So it can go around with the banking, and it negotiates the check rail as well with no problem. So that's Japan going round it. What does Britain look like? Oh, you could have some Yorkshire folk going over it on an Azuma. But going in the other direction, there could be Japanese going over it. The variation is unlimited. Well, something cold and fast, even though it's going slow, and something new from Britain going over the bridge, and that's another variation of what could happen. There could be two English trains running round America if I choose to, or even iTrains chooses to. So we have a real couple of classic HSTs, old liveries. Nice, I love these liveries. Two of my favourites, but then again I like all HSTs and all liveries. But that could happen, going over this Trestle Bridge. So that would be nice to see. So there's only one area left now, and that's Europe. And these trains might be running round. They might have come to visit America. They might have come up from Japan. They might have come straight from Europe. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing them go over the Trestle Bridge. Like I say, 140 more pieces roughly to make the handrails on both sides, and then it's totally done. But at least I can run round now. And not forgetting, when I do go to get into Japan on the lower level, there may be American trains running round here, but there the Japanese trains will be going past, so they have a bit further to run. So, you know, it's going to be great. There's going to be trains everywhere. So anyway, that's what up to now, the state of the play with the bridge and how it's going. And I'll look forward to speaking to you in the next video. So bye for now. Bye.